Step into this luxurious urban retreat, where modern elegance intertwines seamlessly with timeless charm in the heart of your apartment bedroom. A tufted upholstered headboard stands as the centerpiece of sophistication, inviting you to sink into its plush embrace after a long day in the city. Crisp white linens whisper of serenity and comfort, enveloping you in a cocoon of relaxation. The chic color palette of soft grays and blush tones adds a touch of romance to the atmosphere, like a gentle sunset painting the sky. Oversized windows offer glimpses of the bustling city below, while a sleek writing desk and cozy reading nook provide both functionality and style to your sanctuary. It's not just a bedroom, it's a haven of elegance, a sanctuary of style, and a testament to the beauty of urban living. Welcome home to Luxury Redefined. Step into this opulent haven, where luxury meets glamour in the heart of your apartment bedroom. Sumptuous velvet furnishings envelop you in decadence, inviting you to sink into their plush embrace and indulge in pure comfort. Mirrored surfaces reflect the beauty of the space, adding depth and drama to every corner. Metallic accents shimmer and shine, casting a radiant glow that elevates the room to new heights of sophistication. A grand upholstered headboard stands as the centerpiece of the opulent space, commanding attention and adding a touch of regal flair. Crystal chandeliers sparkle like diamonds overhead, while plush area rugs soften the floor beneath your feet, creating a sanctuary of pure indulgence. It's not just a bedroom, it's a retreat fit for royalty, a haven of glamour, and a testament to the beauty of luxury living. Welcome home to your own luxurious oasis. Step into this serene Scandinavian-inspired sanctuary, where simplicity reigns supreme in the heart of your apartment bedroom. A low-profile platform bed serves as the anchor, inviting you to rest and rejuvenate amidst its clean lines and understated elegance. Streamlined furniture pieces and uncluttered surfaces contribute to the minimalist aesthetic, creating a sense of calm and tranquility that permeates the space. A serene color palette of whites, grays, and wood tones soothes the soul, evoking the peaceful beauty of a Scandinavian landscape. It's not just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary of simplicity, a haven of tranquility, and a testament to the beauty of minimalist living. Welcome home to your own slice of Scandinavian serenity. Step into this sleek urban sanctuary, where contemporary style meets industrial flair in the heart of your apartment bedroom. Exposed concrete walls set the stage for a modern aesthetic, lending a touch of urban edge to the space. Sleek metal furnishings add a sense of sophistication, while a platform bed with a steel frame serves as the focal point, anchoring the room with its minimalist design. Geometric accents and statement lighting fixtures add visual interest and personality to the space, infusing it with a sense of modern urban chic. It's not just a bedroom, it's a reflection of your cosmopolitan lifestyle, a sanctuary of style, and a testament to the beauty of contemporary design. Welcome home to your own urban retreat. Step into this eclectic sanctuary, where every corner bursts with vibrant energy and eclectic charm in the heart of your apartment bedroom. A canopy bed, draped in sumptuous fabrics, beckons you to dream beneath its luxurious embrace, the focal point of this vibrant oasis. An explosion of colors, patterns, and textures dances across the space, infusing it with a kaleidoscope of personality and flair. Global-inspired decor pieces and artwork tell stories of far-off lands and exotic adventures, adding layers of intrigue to your eclectic haven. It's not just a bedroom, it's a canvas for creativity, a sanctuary of self-expression, and a testament to the beauty of embracing the unexpected. Welcome home to your own vibrant sanctuary. Step into this serene coastal escape, where tranquility meets seaside charm in the heart of your apartment bedroom. Soft blue hues wash over the space, like gentle waves caressing the shore, creating a sense of calm and relaxation. Natural textures, from woven rugs to rattan accents, add a touch of coastal elegance, evoking the feeling of sand between your toes. A white canopy bed, adorned with sheer drapes that billow in the breeze, serves as the focal point of the room, inviting you to unwind and drift off to dreams of the sea. Nautical accents and beach-inspired decor elements, from seashell trinkets to driftwood art, complete the coastal retreat, transporting you to a tranquil seaside paradise. It's not just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary of serenity, a haven of coastal calm, and a testament to the beauty of coastal living. Welcome home to your own coastal oasis. Step into this cozy retreat, where rustic charm meets modern comfort in the heart of your apartment bedroom. Exposed brick walls whisper tales of old-world charm, while reclaimed wood furniture adds a touch of history and character to the space. A wrought iron bed frame, adorned with soft bedding, beckons you to sink into its welcoming embrace, inviting rest and relaxation after a long day. Layers of plush textiles add warmth and coziness, enveloping you in a cocoon of comfort. Vintage-inspired decor accents and ambient lighting cast a soft glow over the space, enhancing the warm and inviting atmosphere. It's not just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary of serenity, a haven of comfort, and a testament to the beauty of rustic living. Welcome home to your own cozy retreat. Step into this bohemian dreamland, where every corner bursts with vibrant energy and eclectic charm in the heart of your apartment bedroom. A canopy bed, draped in an array of colorful fabrics, steals the show as the centerpiece of this whimsical oasis, inviting you to escape into its cozy embrace. Eclectic textiles, from lush rugs to embroidered throw pillows, add layers of texture and personality to the space, creating a visual feast for the senses. Global accents, collected from far-off lands and exotic markets, tell stories of adventure and wanderlust, infusing the room with a sense of worldly charm. It's not just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary of self-expression, a haven of creativity, and a testament to the beauty of embracing the eclectic. Welcome home to your own bohemian paradise. Step into this stylish urban sanctuary, where industrial edge meets mid-century charm in the heart of your apartment bedroom. Exposed brick walls exude urban chic, lending a raw and rugged backdrop to the space. Sleek furniture pieces, boasting clean lines and minimalist design, add a touch of modern sophistication. A platform bed, with a leather-upholstered headboard, serves as the focal point of the room, inviting you to relax in style. Vintage light fixtures and retro-inspired decor accents add character and personality to the space, infusing it with a sense of nostalgia and urban flair. It's not just a bedroom, it's a fusion of past and present, a testament to the beauty of eclectic design, and a haven of urban sophistication. Welcome home to your own chic urban retreat. Step into this cozy farmhouse haven, where warmth and charm embrace you like an old friend in the heart of your apartment bedroom. Distressed wood furniture exudes rustic elegance, telling tales of days gone by and adding a touch of nostalgia to the space. Soft textiles, from plush throw blankets to fluffy pillows, envelop you in comfort, creating a cocoon of coziness that beckons you to unwind and relax. A canopy bed, draped with gauzy fabric, serves as the romantic focal point of the room, transporting you to a bygone era of simple pleasures and sweet dreams. Vintage-inspired decor pieces and botanical prints add charm and character to the space, infusing it with a sense of timeless beauty and rural charm. It's not just a bedroom, it's a sanctuary of serenity, a haven of comfort, and a testament to the beauty of farmhouse living. Welcome home to your own cozy farmhouse retreat.